My name is Nick Peters. I'm one of the customer liaisons here at ShopSabre. I provide our customers weekly updates, information on shipping, provide them their links to download their software for their machines, basically answer any phone calls or emails that they send to us with questions while the machine is being built. Typical workday, I get here in the morning, usually print some manuals that go in our welcome packages for customers, package up and ship out any welcome packages that we have completed for the week, answer emails, return voicemails, and then kind of spend the day providing updates to customers that call with questions and anything else that comes up to the day that the sales team or production team needs assistance with the customers. I knew Brandon, our director of sales and marketing, outside of working here, and he just happened to post on his social media that he was looking for somebody to join his team. So I reached out to him to see what he was looking for, and it just happened to be at a time where I was looking to make a change with where I was currently working, and we sat down and talked, and here we are today. Outside of work, I enjoy spending time with my 2 kids and my fiance. We like to travel around and check out new restaurants. We also enjoy cooking a lot of food outside on our outdoor patio. I coach my 6-year-old son's t-ball team. I enjoy doing photography as a kind of a side hobby, side gig type of deal. I think the number one thing that sets ShopSabre apart from other CNC manufacturers is our customer service and technical support that is second to none in the business. They always have contact with us so they know where their machine is at, what's going on with their order, and when they're going to receive their machine. Everybody has a positive attitude and enjoys coming to work every day, so it's easy to have a good time at work and enjoy your work day. The customer has a great experience with their salesperson, and while they're waiting for their machine to arrive for them, they continue to have a good experience with me and the rest of the customer liaison team, answering their questions. It's a new big investment for them, and for us to keep them at ease with answering their questions and making sure that they know what's coming when the machine gets there. It just helps them have a great experience to the time they order, to the time they receive their machine, and then when they move on to having questions for the tech support team. We listen to customer suggestions, and we listen to what customers let us know about what they want to have either added to machines or what they think can make machines better. Different things that we could do with our machines to make it easier for them to complete their task and their job in a timely manner. If you or someone you know is looking for a new career, I would definitely suggest to them to check out ShopSabre. Everybody that works here is fun to be around. Everybody has a positive attitude, and it's a great work environment.